Difference between algae, fungi, protozoans, and lichens with their economic importance. Today, first topic is algae. The study of the algae, it's a branch called a phycology. Then the word alga means a seaweed. Then alga are grouped in the plant kingdom because they are a chlorophyllous. Then they have a chlorophyll. They prepare their own food. So those are all autotrophic mode of nutrition. So they are not a parasitic. So they are they have a chlorophyll. So they prepare their own food by a process called a photosynthesis. They are a food for the most aquatic animals like fishes and another aquatic animals also. Major part of oxygen in our ecosystem, there is a major part of ecosystem as released by the algae. Okay, next. Fungi. The study of the fungi is called a mycology. The word fungus means a sponge. If you take an example like a bread mold, it's also example for a fungi. Then in the five kingdom of classification of Whittaker fungi, we are placed in a separate kingdom called a fungi. Then these are all heterotrophs because they don't have any chlorophyll. They are depend upon another organisms for a food and shelter. Then that's why they we called these are saprotrophic organisms. Another name for fungi is called those are the saprotrophs because they don't able to prepare their food. They depend upon another organisms like dead and decaying organisms. Some of fungi are parasitic like powdery mildews and rusts are parasites. Then protozoa, we protozoans are microscopic. We study from 10th standard also. It's a protozoans are all are microscopic because we can't able to see the protozoans through our naked eyes. Best example for the protozoans are Euglena, amoeba, paramecium. So those are all different shapes. Like paramecium is our slipper shape. Then amoeba is a shapeless. Then amoeba have a pseudopodia to locomotory organ. Then the paramecium have a cilia and Euglena as a flagella as a locomotory organ. So they come from different shape and sizes. Many are the symbiotes lichens. These are example for so many are symbionts and other are lichens. Lichens are a complex life. So there are symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. Lichens is a best example for a symbiosis because like algae are a chlorophyllous, but fungi are a achlorophyllous. Then algae gives food and shelter to the fungus. That's why they are mutually understanding. Their symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi is called a lichens. Then the one best benefit of lichens is if the environment is fresh, then we see the lichens. If it's polluted, we can't able to see lichens. That is the most important thing of lichens. Then although moss and lichens are called non-vascular plants. Yes, in this lichens we can't found any xylem and phloem because it's symbiotic relationship between the algae and the fungi. The general structure of lichens is composed of layers of fungus and that is algae having a separate layer, fungi having separate layers. Those are all comes together to form a lichens. Then then economic importance. Algae having so many economic importance like first spirulina tablets. We say spirulina is a high nutrient tablets which is used by space travelers. That is also a most economic value of an algae. Then algae is used as extensively in industries. Industries also used in industries like cement industry, rubber industry, and blotting paper, etc. Then fungi. Fungi is most important as we now strongest antibiotic like penicillium. It's extracted from a penicillin. Sorry, orange citrus fruits like orange. Its penicillin is a fungus. Okay, next protozoans. It's help for a food for all organisms in aquatic animals like crustaceans and they are food for other organisms. And if fish eat all these protozoans, then we eat the fish. Like that, it's a food chain. Like then lichens, they are a source of natural dyes or natural colors. They are also natural indicators. Then we are able to uh, test whether it is acid or basic by using a litmus. Then it's a pH indicator. Okay, thank you, sir.